welcome back to Talk Fluent English. I'm your host, Maya.
And I'm Daniel. It's great to be here, Maya. I've been looking forward to today.
Me too. Today we're talking about something every learner faces, starting a conversation.
Ah, yes, the first hello. It sounds easy, but it's where most people get nervous.
Exactly. People worry about grammar, pronunciation, or saying something awkward.
Yes, I hear that often. They ask, what if I say it wrong? But perfection isn't the goal.
That's right. Conversation is connection, not perfection. Even native speakers hesitate.
Totally. I've seen confident professionals freeze during simple introductions.
That's so true. So today, let's talk about how to start a conversation naturally and calmly.
Good idea. And maybe we can share what makes some people sound confident in English.
Perfect. So, Daniel, let's start with this. What's the first thing you say when you meet someone?
I usually start with a smile and say, "Hi, I'm Daniel. It's nice to meet you."
Simple, clear, and friendly. It's short but professional, perfect for work or casual meetings.
Exactly. You don't need big words to sound smart. Just be warm and polite.
Yes, I think tone and body language matter even more than words.
Absolutely. A friendly tone shows confidence. Your eyes, posture, and smile help too.
Let's do a quick role play. Imagine you're at a business event. How would you start?
Sure. I'd say, "Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Daniel from Blue Sky Media."
Perfect. Then I'd respond, "Hi, Daniel. I'm Maya. Nice to meet you. How are you finding the event?"
That's smooth and professional. It invites conversation right away.
Yes, and it keeps things polite and open-ended. You can use it anywhere.
Exactly. You can adapt it too. Like, "How are you finding the workshop?" Or, "How's your day so far?"
I love that. The question makes the other person feel seen and comfortable.
Right. And you can follow up with simple verbs like enjoy, feel, think, or try.
Yes, verbs are your friends in conversation. They show action and emotion.
Exactly. Instead of saying, "I am at this event," say, "I'm enjoying this event."
That's a good example. It sounds more natural and expressive.
Another useful one is seem, like, "You seem busy today." It's polite and observant.
Oh, yes, that's nice. It sounds thoughtful, not intrusive.
Exactly. Small verbs like seem, feel, look, sound, they all make speech soft and polite.
And they help you connect emotionally. It's a sign of empathy in conversation.
Absolutely. People remember how you made them feel, not just what you said.
That's true. Let's talk about introductions in interviews. Many people panic there.
Yes, especially when they hear, "Tell me about yourself." It's every learner's nightmare.
Yes, but it doesn't need to be scary. What's your go-to formula?
Simple. Name, background, experience, and goal. Something like, "I'm Daniel, I work in marketing, and I love helping brands grow."
That's perfect. Short, confident, and focused. It shows what you do and what drives you.
Exactly. Keep it under 30 seconds. No long stories unless they ask.
And always keep verbs active, like I manage, I create, I lead, not I am responsible for.
That's a great point. Active verbs make your English sound powerful and clear.
Yes, and the present continuous, like I'm working on, keeps it modern and engaging.
Agreed. "I'm leading a team" sounds more alive than "I lead a team."
Right. It tells your listener what's happening now, not just your title.
Exactly. That's why listening to how native speakers use tenses helps so much.
Yes, you pick up rhythm, intonation, and how verbs flow naturally.
Speaking of flow, pronunciation plays a big role too, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Even if your grammar's great, unclear pronunciation can block understanding.
Yes, like stressing the wrong syllable instead of present. It changes meaning completely.
Right. Right. Or saying comfortable instead of comfortable. Real speech is smoother.
Exactly. Natural speech connects sounds. We say gonna instead of going to.
Yes. Learners shouldn't fear contractions. They make English sound real and fluid.
Right. I'm, you're, they've. They're everywhere. Avoiding them sounds robotic.
True. And rhythm matters too. English has a stress pattern like music.
Yes, strong beats on important words, soft on others. That gives life to your speech.
Exactly. Let's try this line slowly. How's your day going so far? You stress how's, day, and so far.
Yes, that's how it sounds natural, not monotone. It's like speaking in waves.
That's beautiful. Speaking in waves. I love that image.
It's true though too. Fluent English feels rhythmic, not rushed.
Right. It's not about speed. It's about comfort and flow.
Exactly. Fluent doesn't mean fast. It means smooth, confident, and clear.
That's such a key point. So many learners think speed equals fluency.
Yes, but fluent people pause often. They breathe, think, and smile while talking.
Yes, silence is okay. It makes your words sound stronger.
Agreed. And listening is half of good conversation.
Absolutely. When you truly listen, your responses become natural and relevant.
Right. It's not just waiting to speak, it's showing curiosity.
Exactly. You can say things like, really? Or, that's interesting, to keep it alive.
Those short reactions show engagement. They're simple but powerful.
Yes, and they use present tense naturally, like, that's great, that's amazing.
Right. They keep energy high, perfect for friendly or business chats.
So, Daniel, what do you think is the hardest part for learners when starting a talk?
Honestly, fear of judgment. People think their accent or grammar will be mocked.
True, but most native speakers actually admire the effort.
Exactly. Confidence is built by practice, not perfection.
Yes, and you can start small. Say, good morning to coworkers, or how are you to staff?
That's how habits grow. Every short chat builds muscle memory for English.
Exactly. English fluency isn't learned in silence. It's built through use.
Yes, the more you speak, the easier words come naturally.
That's so true. And your brain learns phrases, not single words.
Exactly. Like, nice to meet you, or how's it going? Use them as blocks.
Yes, those chunks build your fluency foundation.
And soon, you won't think about grammar, you'll just speak.
Exactly. It becomes instinct. That's the beauty of real conversation.
I agree. Fluency is not just knowledge, it's rhythm, reaction, and comfort.
That's beautifully said, Daniel. I think that's a great note to end on.
Yes, I hope everyone listening feels inspired to start talking more.
I hope so too. Remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
Exactly. Say hello, make mistakes, learn, and repeat. That's the path.
Perfectly said, Daniel. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you, Maya. Always a pleasure talking with you.
And to our listeners, go start a conversation today. You might surprise yourself with how fluent you already are.
Absolutely. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning.
Thanks for tuning in to Talk Fluent English. See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone. And remember, connection starts with hello.